related to divorce. In chapter number 65, Surah Talaq, in the first verse, Allah SWT says, divorce them at their prescribed periods. So this period of iddat, what should be the relationship between the husband and wife during the iddat period? Because they have to stay in their house or something. There are different fiqh rulings accordingly. But what can be the relationship? How can they, is it legal, or they have to maintain the hijab level which is prescribed for all the general men?
Sister has a question as Surah Talaq chapter 65 verse number 1 onwards. It speaks about talaq, that divorce them in the prescribed period. There are various commentaries given, and you ask that what should be the state, etc. As far as, if you read the hadith, there are various hadiths which say that when you divorce your wife, they should not be having the menstrual cycles. And the hikmah, the wisdom behind this is that normally during menstrual cycle, the intimate relationship is not permitted. So this should not be one of the reasons we should initiate the divorce. Therefore, you should not divorce, the husband should not divorce the wife during the menstrual cycle. So it means that in the prescribed period, means when she is not undergoing the menstrual cycle, you are permitted. During menstrual cycle, it is prohibited. And furthermore, in the iddah period, you should keep your wife the way she is kept before you give the divorce. For example, the iddah period of 3 monthly periods. In the iddah period, you should not unnecessarily give her certain pains or certain trouble which she is not used to. So in the period of iddah, that's for 3 menstrual cycles, she should have the same luxury that she had during a normal course of time before the divorce was given. The facility should be the same, so that should not be an initiation factor for the divorce to continue. So it means prescribed period means she should not be in the menstrual cycle, and the facility in the iddah period, but natural, she should not have a close relationship with the husband, so that you realize that it's more of a trial period, I call it, or a prelims, that fine, we realize many a time that in anger a person gives divorce which is not allowed to give in anger. He gives the divorce in anger and they realize, okay, within a couple of days I can't stay with my wife. So during that period, the husband can take back his wife to ruju. So therefore this trial period is their sister. So therefore in the trial period, they cannot have the intimate relationship of husband and wife, but the remaining facilities remain the same sister. Hope that answers the question.
Assalamu alaikum.